Tokyo. When we last left off, we were leaving Kyoto, and after a 2.5-hour bullet train, we arrived in Tokyo! And this, my friends, was a hentai store. I bought gifts for my friends. Now, we're back at the arcades. That's Sudoku and One Piece. So, from what I understand, most games are like this. That's gonna fling up and down. It's gonna fling up and down. You're trying to knock it down. Ones like these should be easier to make. Then there's other games like this ones, where you just lift it up and try to make it slide to those. Everything sounds so cute here. You're trying to drop it down, basically. And it's 200 per play, so like 150. Fourth floor is just regular arcade games. There are card games here where people are playing on the screens with cards. And let me show you one. People come here with their own deck of cards. They put them on the bottom part of the screen. Their computer reads them, and somehow you play a game. Right here we got the music games. And the sixth and final floor has nothing but retro games. Japan POV. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me tell you something. So those girls basically just stand around and make costumes, holding little umbrellas. What they try to get to you is they want to invite you to the maid cafe. They're going to give you a cover charge just so you can be there 30 minutes or an hour depending on how much you paid. They're going to try to spoil you, make you feel special so you can keep buying drinks and stuff, and then they kick you out. It's a scam for tourists, but it's adorable. You're not allowed to take pictures or videos, so that's the best I was able to do with them. Every single Godzilla. So nerdy. Hey, you think I'll get copyrighted for this? That's lit. Between some of the most famous shopping centers in the world, huge arcades, huge karaoke's, huge restaurants, there was so much you could do here for hours. But it was time for us to go home. Good morning, everyone. I think this is day 2 in Tokyo. We're going to the Planetary Museum, which has all the cool little lights. I'm exploring the hotel. They have relaxation chairs with massage chairs. They got this gym, which is just 2 treadmills, 1 elliptical machine, 1 rowing machine. And I was like, well, no dumbbells, but it's okay. I'm not gonna have time for them. We get to walk on this patch. It's like an uneven surface. Darkness of evil. This is warm. It's me. It's me. Papa. Holy crap, it's fishies. No, they're not real. They're not real, guys. They're not real. They're not real. Cold fish, koi fish. Hey guys. Smack a doodle it. The size of these balls. It smells so good. So it's just a garden of flowers. They keep rising and falling. See? That's that floor you grow. And once again, we are splitting up. I'm on my way to see the Godzilla statue. And then we meet up back to eat. She pointed out I like tourist spots. I want to see things in each city. I want to see the Tokyo Tower, the Mario Karts, which by the way we can't do because you need an international driver's license, which I don't have. She does, but I didn't think you need a license to drive a go-kart. So I thought maybe she could drive it, and I sit in the back. No, all the go-karts are one person only. So yeah, we can't do the Mario Karting here, sadly. But while she's doing all the shopping, I'm visiting all the fun places I want to go to. Godzilla's next. I thought it'd be bigger, honestly. I thought it's probably, I'd say that's probably 12 feet tall only. Like two adults. It's probably 2 adult size. There's another head in a hotel, but that's like 3 miles from here. I'm not walking there. If there's something I've noticed in here among tourists, there's a ton of Germans. Second, I would say a lot of Mexicans actually. Third, French people. Then Spanish people, Swedish. But yeah, that's mostly the top I've noticed. I would say German. A few Italians actually, It's like World War II allies are back again. But no, it's Germans, Mexicans. I would say Spanish and French. That will be the next. Slight detour, but look how cool this place is. This goes all the way through. We're in Italy. Then believe it or not, we somehow managed to spend almost an hour on a bookstore, which is crazy because only half of those were in English. Mira, no entiendo. You're being followed by a little patrol car. That is the Tokyo Tower behind me. This is the top view. I like this tape because you can see a reflection. For the next meal, this is a lamb burger. If y'all ever get the chance to try one instead of beef, do it. It's worth it. Welcome to Shinjuku City. I pronounced that so wrong, most likely. We are now in Lush. Also, I haven't been sharing, but this is what a family mart looks like, a little grocery store. My friend Boris asked me to bring him some, but honestly, since they're full, they're gonna take up so much room in their luggage, they might pop. And Boris, I love you, bro, but I think just like, what is this? Just wait for the US. This is the one that stood out to me the most. Honestly, I feel like it's gonna taste awful, but why not? No, that's not it. It wants to taste like butter popcorn, but it tastes like only butter. There's no butter in this. I don't like this. I can't see, I mean, I don't know what else it tastes like. It doesn't taste like anything in this picture. This looks awesome. It's like an oasis on top of the building. And then this entrance, this is freaking cool. If you ever come to Tokyo, do all your day activities on a weekday, because it gets so packed on the weekends. Yes. Oh, it's potty trained. It's potty trained. Oh my god. It's potty trained. This is my child now. I'm the father. Is your brother? Oh, you're waking up. Get another one. For those who don't know, this is the world's busiest pedestrian crossing. As many as 3,000 people can walk in at once. En el crosswalk más grande del mundo. It's the biggest crosswalk in the whole world.
¿Es video?
I think, if I'm not wrong, Taylor Swift and Bruno Mars were here a few months ago. I honestly just came here to film something for a reel, and now I'm going.
7 nights sold out, arigato. Bruno Mars live at the Tokyo Dome.
None of the rides are on. Today's another shopping day. I'm surrounded by love manga. I can't read any of it. Oh, this is so freaking cool. You built this apparently. It's 6,600 yen, which I think is, I'll put the number right here on the screen. I can do the math right now. Look, you built this, you built that, you built this. This is freaking awesome. So in Japan, what many restaurants and food courts do on their window aisle, they have all their most popular dishes in plastic wax figurine form, so you can see how it looks like. And it's just so artistically cool how they have it so lifelike. And then this is what it looks like in real life. I mean, pretty close. And now we're at the Sky Tower. Let me show you a better view. We're right here. And remember Tokyo Tower from earlier in the video? This is it. This is probably the emptiest subway station I found. That's my Godzilla shirt, by the way. Look at that thing. Also, that's the Tokyo Tower. That's the Sky Tree Tower we're at. And I'm guessing, I don't think we've been to the stadium yet. But everything else is Tokyo in miniature version. And for y'all to know, these are paper theaters, which are freaking really fun to make. And they come out like that. I made a video about them. They are a little hard to make, but they're wonderful. They are a really good time. Like for example, this one looks freaking cool. I would love that one. Also, this was already our final day, which day 5 I think, or 4.5, I'm not sure. So we went to Starbucks, and this is what Starbucks has for lunch and breakfast. It's delicious, and I was hungry, so I tried like one of each. Also, I keep forgetting to record an ending to these trips, but yeah, this was the end of the Tokyo vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed. There's a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. Click on it, you might like it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Bye.